Alright, so today we're working on a PS5 that I took in as a trade-in. Look at that. Look at that, mister. It's just a soldering job. Oh, man. Well, let's see the back of it. I got this from Facebook Marketplace, where all the geniuses reside. Look at that. Damn. Now, can we fix this? I don't know. Is it worth a try? Yeah. A lot of gunk on there. I have to use the fiberglass pen. This is terrible. And apparently, supposedly, this was a PS5 that wasn't turning on. This one is still there, I think. This one, I think, this one's halfway off. This one's completely missing. This one is still there. This is ground, so I need to rebuild 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 traces. All right, let's do this. And then the problem with these is I don't know what the hell they end up using. That these stick. Oh, there we go. See, there's one trace that's already breaking off. I don't know what this sticky shit is, but see, there's one trace that's already breaking off because the traces are weak. Right here. Some weird stuff on this board. What's that black sludge? Like, what is that? This box is actually a little bit nicer. This is YCS flux. My iron is at 400 degrees Celsius. Like, I don't know what they used on this board that is. Here we go. Trace number 2. Trace number 3. Trace 4. Trace number 5. I think this is the last trace right here. I think this is the last trace right here. Oh. And that's the last trace. Okay. All right, let's clean this up. I'm not an artist, so it's not going to look pretty. Okay, like I said, I'm not an artist, so it's not going to look pretty. And I'm not Chinese, I'm Mexican. Chinese people are a lot better. They have, in terms of making it look pretty. For me, it's about just making sure that it works and that it's a reliable repair. That's what matters to me. It's a reliable repair. Do that on there for a little bit. Let's make sure it cures well so that it stays on there. Alright, so this isn't going to look pretty, but we will need some somewhere for the HDMI port to hang on to. So I hope I'm not wasting my time. All right. Wish me luck. Let's. Oh man, this is messed up. All right, hold on. Let's. All right, let's put a fresh HDMI on here. Oh. Here we go. What temperature and what air are you using on your hot air station? Oh man. I wonder if this is even Oh, it's on there, okay. All right, we're gonna flood it. Flood it with solder. Flood it. It ain't gonna look pretty. I'm telling you right now. It ain't gonna look pretty. But we're not looking for pretty, we're looking for functional. I mean, it's on there. It's not pretty. But it's definitely on there. Okay, now we gotta make sure these pins are actually making contact. It looks pretty good. I mean, you guys can't see anything, but all right, let's see if it worked. We're still missing components back here. I don't know if you really need them, but let's see if we can get a picture. Look at that. How can I help you?
How are you?
Good. What's up, man?
Remember I texted you like a week ago
I don't.
about my PC freezing?
I don't.
Okay.
I can't remember. Here, let's put this somewhere else. Let's put this right here.